Well, hey everybody, here's John. It's Christmas Day. John, show us what you have.
I have my WinCo food truck and van.
Your WinCo food truck and your van. John, give us a tour of the van.
So this is the part of the van, the wheels, and the doors, and the window, and this, and the doors around, and I'm inside.
You're inside. Can you turn it? Yeah, let's see who's inside this van. Look at that. It looks like Batman, John. Oh, whoa. It looks like John's inside the van. Take us for a spin, John. All right. Sweet.